Well, good morning, ladies. It is Mariah here, and today it is all about the how-tos. This is the fashionistas guide to some of the things that are happening in the fashion world right now, some of the tips and tricks that we all need to know to look our most fabulous. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is how to tie a scarf. Now, scarves are a fabulous essential that we all need, lots of variety and options in our closet. I want to show you a great way. These little shorter scarves and bandanas are having a huge moment in fashion right now. I actually wear my kind of classic bandanas on the weekends a lot because I love the look of it, but girls are wearing them in their ponytails, they're wearing them around their necks, they're wearing them on their handbags. So just think outside the box, a way that you can kind of grab those scarves that are sitting in your closet and wear them a fresh way. Well, one way that I really have fun wearing mine is I wear my scarf like this, like a choker. And it's so simple because all you're gonna do is just take it and tie it around your neck, kind of roll it up so it's not too wide. And then I tie it in a knot, I tie it in a second knot, and then what you're gonna do with the two ends, you're just gonna take them and you're gonna tuck them back. You just want them to get out of the way, and then all of a sudden you've created this cute, cute little kind of choker look. And you can keep the knot in the front and center if you want to show it off. If you want to twist it around to the back and keep it kind of clean and neat in the front, you can do that. There's not a right or a wrong way. So this is just a really fun way that I like to wear my scarves like this all the time. The other great way too is something very simple here. It's also just tying our knots, and that's with the longer scarves. So again, I know it's summertime, it's a little bit hot, but still sometimes it's nice to add that texture, that color. So what I did here is I just tied 2 knots in the scarves. Do it a little bit looser. Sometimes if you pull it too tight and too cinchy, it just kind of looks like the scarf's a little bit tortured. So just a little bit of a soft knot. I like to do it a little bit asymmetrical, just keeps the outfit a little more interesting. So kind of 1 knot a little bit higher, 1 knot a little bit lower. So cute, so simple, anyone can do that. Then of course there's sort of the classic European, right? So I get that maybe it's a little bit warm right now, but fall is coming. I've got gorgeous scarves that are actually arriving this week in the store. So be sure to check out Facebook and Instagram to see all the new scarves. But what I do is I just take the scarf and I do a twist, twist, twist so that my hand is still through. And then what I do is I wrap it around my neck. And at this point, most people would pull it all the way through. What I like to do is kind of pull it halfway through. So that way I get like a little bubble happening here, a little fluff right there. And again, don't overthink it, just walk away. So a lot of times I think that we sit there and fuss and finick with the scarves, but this is just a really cute, easy way that you can do anything from your lightweight scarves to the chunky. So that's the scarf tutorial. Now, the other thing we have to talk about that's so important is tunics and leggings. I get asked on a weekly basis, is this shirt long enough? Can I wear this? Are these leggings? So you know what I'm gonna say about leggings, right? Leggings are not pants. I've talked about them till I'm blue in the face, but my rule of thumb that just keeps it really easy is that your leggings need to be worn with a shirt that's roughly fingertip length. So if it is a lot shorter, or if I'm able to see your little tushy or anything else, that is too short. A lot of times too, it's hard to know what a legging is, but I would say a legging probably doesn't have pockets and it's probably skin tight. If it is a skin tight pair of leggings or jeggings, you still want to keep that layer going. So I always say, when in doubt, if you're asking yourself, is this tunic or is this t-shirt too short to wear with these leggings? If you're asking yourself, the answer is probably yes. So just trust your gut and go with that. But fingertip rule is just the easiest way to keep it on the straight and narrow. So the last little fashionista tip and trick that I am absolutely loving and doing a lot myself, you guys know I love a half tuck. It's my favorite, right? But now I'm seeing just all these little fashion girls out there doing just this little tie knot here. It's really simple. If you're wanting to kind of embrace the little bit more fitted silhouettes that we're seeing, to kind of change up t-shirts and tops that you already have in your closet, all you're gonna do is, again, tie a simple little knot. Now, the key is you can do it in the front, you can do it off to the side, but you don't want to pull it so tight in the front that you get that really tight, grippy thing going on in the back. So just make sure that you pull it, but you leave a little bit of wiggle room in the back so you still have that softness. Now, if you're someone that you say, ugh, Mariah, I don't want anything tight, I don't like tight, I like flowy, that's okay too. You can certainly do the same thing. So like with this is a little bit more swingy t-shirt, a little bit boxier. I think it's easiest to tie the t-shirts when they're on your body. That way you're making sure you're not tying it too short or too low. But you just literally take it, tie a little knot, pull it through, and then you're done. And it's just a cute, easy thing. You don't have to overthink it. It shows that you're kind of on trend with what's happening in the fashion world. But look how cute that is with that little t-shirt now. The only tip and trick that I'm gonna add to this is do not throw it in the washing machine with the knot tied in it. It can just kind of stretch it out and damage it. And so if you're gonna wash it and possibly dry it, take out the knot and let's just try to return it to its normal shape and size. And make sure don't pull that knot so tight, because otherwise you're gonna like break your fingernail trying to get this knot undone. So just do a nice easy knot with any of your tops. So really cute, fun, easy tutorial for you girls. Send your questions my way. I love answering these things. And in the meantime, I hope you guys have an amazing Monday, and we'll see you at Gee Loretta very soon. Bye, girls.